This was our library right here. This is the library, okay? What is called the Boutique Palace was a very famous family that they were living here, and they still are very rich on the city. They have pharmacies and they are architecture, so they are really important here. This was our library since ever, but now they built a new one that lasts ever also to build. See the palm tree over there? That palm tree, you have a modern building. That is our new library. This one is closed and they don't know if they will do something with this, but just need to wait and see, because we have a beautiful tiles work on the walls with a lot of information about our history. So let's hope that they do something with this.